I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's we'll try to do the proximity sensor test between the IQ7 smartphone versus Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi11X smartphone, as you can see, friends. So right now I'm using these three different smartphones and I'll try to test the proximity sensor, which phone has a better proximity sensor, and I'll try to use the application as well meanwhile. And recently these are the problems is going on, friends, with the smartphones. One is the green tint, next is the 4G plus aggregation, and next is this kind of proximity sensor problem. So with the different manufacturer companies nowadays, it's frequently happening, and I did a separate video as well regarding this green tint as well and regarding the 4G plus aggregation comparison. So make sure to check the playlist, links will be all in the description below. So definitely you can check those videos in case if you are interested. So now let me try to quickly open the sensor test application which is present right now in front of me, as you can see. And I did install the same sensor application in all the three smartphones, as you can see, friends, same sensor. So let me try to quickly open the proximity sensor in this IQ7 first, and one by one. So Realme X7 Pro and the Mi11X device, as you can see clearly. So all these three smartphones are here one by one, as you can see, friends. So let's see, friends, in the IQ7 whether there will be any kind of sensor or not. As you can see right now, I'm trying to keep the and the values are not changing at all. As you can see, friends, it's still remaining at 5. So I'll try to show you the sensor exactly after turning off the lights. So let's see the first in the Realme X7 Pro. As you can see, the value is changing. As you can see, friends, clearly the value is changing every time, and it is a Mi11X device. As you can see, the value is not changing in terms of the proximity sensor. So nowadays companies, they are implementing different kind of technology without using any kind of sensor. They're trying to use the accelerometer sensor. Whenever you lift the phone and keep the phone near your ear, at the time the value will be changing. As you can see, this is what happens, friends. So right now you can see whenever you take the call, whenever you receive the call, at that time the value will change. But sometimes what happens is that during this process it get freeze, so sometimes it won't respond properly. So that is the issue which was happened with the Mi11X device. So that is what I'm trying to find out, whether the same thing gonna happen with the IQ7 as well. I think so. Right now there's a 5. As you can see, value is not changing, friends, at the moment. As you can clearly see, there's no response at all. I am not sure whether the screen guard is affected, or let me try to turn off the lights to see whether is there any proximity sensor light or not in the display or in the top of this one. So right now the complete lights are turned off. So let me bring the Realme X7 Pro. So this is the Realme X7 Pro. You can see on the top some kind of red light is blinking. As you can see, friends, there's a light blinking, so which is a proximity sensor which is present in the Realme X7 Pro device. So where you can clearly see the proximity sensor. So let me try to bring the IQ7 smartphone. So it's IQ7, and you cannot even see any kind of proximity light at all on the top. You cannot even spot it on, friends, as you can see here. So even I'm trying to change the direction and everything, so there's no proximity sensor. Let me turn off the screen and show you, so you might be able to see whether it's there in display or not. Even some phones, they do have the in-display sensor, proximity sensor. So there's nothing like that present right now, as you can see. And the Realme X7 Pro, sorry, you can see the proximity sensor right now clearly. When the display is off, it's blinking like a notification light. Finally, it is the Mi11X device. So when the screen is completely off, so as you can see, you cannot see apart from the always on display, you cannot see any other notification light, sorry, proximity light sensor, as you can see, friends, clearly. So clearly shows that in terms of the proximity light sensors, the Mi11X has an issue. Sometimes the users are facing this kind of issue, and even the IQ7 smartphone also some users are facing. So I think the most problem has happened in the IQ7 at the moment in this kind of review. That is what I did find out, friends. So first phone, Realme X7 Pro, is perfectly good, 100% perfect, no issues. In the Mi11X device, little bit perfect but not 100% perfect. But the IQ7, I'm not sure what is happening here. I'll try to make a call and I'll try to see at the moment. So right now I'm trying to call, and let me try to quickly call again, friends, and to show you the results, what happens. So 1 to 1, and it's responding, no problem, as you can see. So when I keep the hand, it's not responding, the proximity sensor in this IQ7. As you can clearly see here, friends, it's not responding only. When you keep the phone a little bit tilted downwards, sometimes it will respond. I think right now it closed. Let me try to take out the hand. It will try to open. Only one problem is that response is not too fast, friends. That is what happens. If there's a physical proximity sensor, the response will be very faster. But because of this accelerometric sensor, we always need to depend upon the type of motion your hand is. As you can see, sometimes it's working, sometimes it doesn't work. So overall, this is the problem, friends, with the Mi11X and the IQ7 at the moment. So for me, I did face couple of times this kind of problems, or maybe out of 10 times. So in the Mi11X, I did face 3 times, and the IQ7 I did face maybe 4 times, slightly more in the IQ7 in terms of the proximity sensor. So make sure to comment below in case if you're having one of this device and if you're feeling this kind of problem. So make sure to comment below, friends, definitely. So I do want the companies to implement this kind of physical proximity sensor, which is just one sensor they could have easily fit on the top black bar over there. I'm not sure why they are not using this kind of mechanism, so which makes all our lives very much simpler and easy. So at least a new type of implementation should be kind of perfectly done, but that's not the case. So there's even another in-display proximity sensors as well, which is present previously. I did review in my channel. So this is a video, friends, which I uploaded myself in my channel, which has the in-display proximity sensor, as you can clearly see, friends. So inside the display there is a proximity sensor. So this used to work 100% fine without any kind of issues. Instead of implementing on the top bar, they implemented inside the display the proximity sensor. So this is what I'm talking about, friends. So at least they could have done implementing inside the display instead of depending upon the accelerometer and other sensors. So they could have done inside the display. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and I just want to cover and give my thoughts about this proximity sensor, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.